I welcome you all in this session. Myself, Arti Talawlikar, Assistant Professor from PES's RSN College of Arts and Science, Ponda, Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, 3rd years. Subject Botany, Semester 5. Course code BOC 106. Course title Cell Biology and Biochemistry. Title of the Unit 4 Biomolecules. Module name Properties and Biological Role of Proteins. In this module, you will be learning about properties of proteins and biological role of proteins. By the completion of this module, you will be able to describe the properties of proteins and explain the biological role of proteins. Protein is a macromolecule made up of building blocks called amino acid. Protein is the essential constituent of living cells and they play crucial role in all biological processes. Some biologically important proteins are flavoproteins, nucleoproteins, cytochrome, etc. Properties of proteins. Properties of proteins are divided into physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties include color and taste, shape and size, molecular weight, colloidal nature, denaturation, amphoteric nature, ion binding capacity, solubility, and optical activity. Chemical properties include hydrolysis, reactions involving carboxylic group, reactions involving amino group, reactions involving both carboxylic and amino group, reactions involving R group or side chain, reactions involving acid group. Let's see all these properties in detail. Physical properties, color and taste. Proteins are colorless and usually tasteless. These are homogeneous and crystalline. Shape and size. Proteins range in shape and size. Like globular proteins, these are spherical in shape. Example is pepsin. Fibrous proteins, these are thread-like. Example of fibrous protein is myosin. If you look at the size of protein, each protein molecule has specific size. Example, hemoglobin has a diameter of 55 angstrom. Molecular weight. The proteins generally have large molecular weight. Colloidal nature. Proteins exhibit colloidal properties like their diffusion rates are extremely slow. They may produce light scattering in solution, thus resulting in visible turbidity. Denaturation. Denaturation is brought by a variety of agents. Physical agents like heat treatment, freezing, UV rays, etc. Chemical agents like the X-rays, acetone, alcohol, etc. Amphoteric nature. The proteins are amphoteric, that is, they act as acids and alkalis both. Ion binding capacity. Proteins can form salts with both cations and anions based on their net charge. Solubility. Solubility is influenced by pH. It is lowest at isoelectric point and increases with increasing acidity or alkalinity. Optical activity. All protein solutions rotate the plane of polarized light to the left. Chemical properties. First one is hydrolysis. Proteins are hydrolyzed by a variety of hydrolytic agents. By acetic agents like HCl, by alkaline agents like 2-normal NaOH, by proteolytic enzymes, example pepsin and trypsin. Reaction involving carboxylic group. First one is reaction with alkalis. Amino acids, they react with alkalis to form salts. In this reaction, we can see that the carboxylic group of amino acids, they release H plus ions and form carboxylate ions, which is neutralized by cations like sodium and calcium ions to form salts. Second one is reaction with alcohols. When amino acid reacts with alcohols, corresponding esters are produced. The reaction is shown over here. Reaction with amines. Amino acid reacts with amines to form amides as shown in this reaction. Reaction involving amino group. First one is reaction with mineral acids. When treated with mineral acids like HCl, the acid salts are formed. Second, reaction with formaldehyde. This forms hydroxymethyl derivatives which are insoluble in water and resistant to the attack of microorganisms. Third one is reaction with nitrous acid. The amino acids react with HNO2 to liberate nitrogen gas and to produce alpha hydroxy acid as shown in this reaction. Reaction involving both carboxylic and amino group. Neenhydrin reaction. This causes oxidative decarboxylation of alpha amino acids producing carbon dioxide, ammonia and aldehyde. The reduced neenhydrin then reacts with the liberated ammonia forming blue colored Reutemann's complex. Reaction involving R group or side chain. The first one is biuret test. Compounds containing peptide bonds, they develop purple or violet color in alkaline copper sulfate. Xanthoprotic test. Tyrosine, tryptophan, they develop yellow color when they are treated with concentrated nitric acid. Millon's test. Tyrosine, they develop red color in mercurous nitrate in nitrous acid and heated. Hopkins-Coley test. Tryptophan develop violet color in glyoxylic acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Follin's test. Tyrosine, they develop blue color in phosphomolybdotungstic acid. Reaction involving acid group. Nitroprusside test. Cysteine develops red color in sodium nitroprusside and dilute ammonium hydroxide. Sullivan test. Cysteine develops red color in sodium 1,2-neptoquinone 4-sulfonate and sodium hydrosulfide. Biological importance of proteins. Proteins, they play crucial role in all biological process. First one is transport. Membrane proteins, they transport glucose, amino acids and other nutrients across the membrane into the cell. Enzyme catalyst. Almost all chemical reactions in the biological system, they are catalyzed by enzymes which are proteins. Storage proteins. Corn, beans, nuts, rice, etc. they store nutrient proteins. Hormones. Some hormones are proteinaceous. Example is insulin. Contraction and movement. The contraction of muscle is brought about by proteins like actin and myosin. The microtubules of flagella and cilia, these are built on tubulin, which is a protein. Mechanical support. Proteins serve as supporting filaments or cables to give biological structure, strength, support and protection. Example is collagen of tendons and cartilage. Immune protection. Invading bacteria, virus, etc. they elicit the production of antibodies, and antibodies, they are formed of proteins. Protective proteins. Fibrous proteins like keratin, it forms external protective structures like the nails, scales, hair, feather, etc. Toxins. Toxins, they are both defensive and offensive proteins produced. Example is resin of castor. Blood proteins. Major plasma components like the albumin, globulin, etc. These are proteins. Nucleoproteins are proteins associated with nucleic acid. Human memory is built to be stored in specific proteins called memory proteins. Thermoregulation. Blood plasma of some Antarctic fishes, they contain antifreeze proteins. This protects the blood from freezing. Protein buffers. The polar side chains of the proteins can combine with excess acid and base. This helps in keeping the pH constant. Repressors. Most of the repressors of the genes are proteinaceous in nature. Visual pigments. Rhodopsin and iodopsin are protein pigments respectively present in rods and cones of retina, and they take part in perception of image. References. Thank you.